The sun is rising. I sit near the window with a notebook in my hand. I look at the blank page. It is empty. But my dream is not empty. My dream is clear. I want to speak English. I want to speak with confidence. Not for marks, not for school, but for my life. If you feel the same, this video is for you. Stay with me. Step by step, I will show you how to build English in your own home. You don't need expensive books. You don't need a teacher. You just need a strong heart and a small start. The first word, where the journey begins. When I first started, I thought, how can I learn English without a teacher? I felt nervous. I felt shy. I thought people would laugh if I spoke wrong. But then I told myself, every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once spoke their first broken sentence. So I decided, I will take the first step no matter how small an island. That first step was simple. I looked around my room. This is a bed. This is a book. This is a pen. I spoke to my things like they were friends. It was strange at first, but slowly my room became my classroom. Voices in the air, learning through listening. Then I realized babies don't learn by studying grammar. They learn by listening. So I made listening my second step. Every day, while walking, while working, while sitting, I played English sounds. That also includes podcasts, simple stories, even children's cartoons. At first, I understood nothing. It felt like noise. But then, I began to catch one word, then two, then full sentences. It was like drops of water filling a pot slowly but surely. Stories on a page, the power of simple reading. The third step was reading. Not big books, not difficult grammar, just small stories. I opened one story online. The first line said, "A boy wakes up. He eats bread." I smiled. I knew those words. I read aloud, slowly. Then again, faster. Every day I read one page. And I noticed words repeat. Sentences repeat. And without realizing, I was remembering. Reading became my secret teacher. The talking mirror, practicing alone with confidence. One evening, I stood in front of the mirror. I looked into my own eyes and said, "Hello, how are you?" I answered myself, "I am fine, thank you." I laughed, but it worked. The mirror became my practice partner. Every day, I told the mirror about my life. Like, today, I cooked rice, or today, I met my friend. It was not perfect English, but it was my English. Then I found a powerful trick called shadowing. I played a short video. The speaker said, "Good morning, everyone." I paused, then I copied the same. "Good morning, everyone." I repeated again and again until my voice sounded close. It was like singing a song. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes my tongue felt heavy. But slowly, my pronunciation became clear. Shadowing taught me rhythm, tone, and flow. Tiny steps, strong roots, building habits that grow. I learned one truth. English is not learned in one day. It grows like a plant. Every day you give it a little water, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and slowly the plant becomes strong. So I built habits like, in morning, I read one page. Afternoon, listen for 15 minutes. Evening, shadow one sentence. Night, talk to myself in the mirror. These habits were small, but together, they changed me. The bridge called English, turning practice into confidence. And now, when I speak, people ask, Where did you learn English? I smile and say, at home, step by step, with patience, with practice. So if you are sitting at home, dreaming to learn English, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for a teacher. Start with what you have, your voice, your ears, your heart. If this video helped you, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons. And now, I have a question for you. What's the first English word you'll practice after watching this? Comment below. Let's learn together. And remember, you can speak English. You can learn at home. And I am here to help you every step of the way.